What's going on, guys? Jonas here with another new video. This is the next day after the Lebanon Valley drift event. So today we're going to go ahead and install my Fortunato coilovers onto the Z. Alright guys, so I got the car up into the air. Just pulling off the strut brace now, so I can access the actual top hats. So I haven't really been recording, but I've been working on the rears. Got this side out, got the spring out. So now I'm just setting the preload of all the coils, since these do not come preloaded from the factory. I'm not really going to go over how to set preload or anything. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and set these, then get them in. And then I'll show you guys how that went, and then we'll go to the fronts. Alright guys, so I just got done finishing up the rears. I have it on the ground now. So here you can see this is how they look. The wheels, these are actually the rear wheels on the rear now. So I have them properly set up, and you can see they're so sunken in still. There's so much room there. But I'm honestly pretty happy with the ride height. Once I have spacers, it'll basically be where I want it to be. Alright guys, so I'm working on the front now. You got your knuckle unplugged from the upper control arm. I'm just blasting off all the things, the brake lines. There's a couple of speed sensor. But yeah, so far it's going good, real easy. Once this, you undo the knuckle from the upper control arm, you got so much room in here to actually grab the strut. So, yep, I'm gonna go and pull that out now, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, so I got the fronts all set up. You see, I did have to loosen up the sway bar because this end link wasn't reaching in. It's an interesting design. The end link actually has a stud that goes through it, which is actually your lower bolt for your strut assembly. Also, while I'm under the car, I might as well go ahead and put in my O2 sensor. When I did my test pipes, the O2 sensor ended up getting stripped out inside the bung. So now we have the motor dynes in there. So I'm going to go ahead, put this in, and hopefully this takes care of the check engine light. Alright, so I got it on the ground, and yeah, I went a little too low. It's very, very low for me. It's like fucking super tough. I mean, I bet it's rubbing somewhere. I mean, there's clearance, but I am not running it this way at all. This is heinous. Check this side. Rears I'm happy with. Rears, very, very happy with. Alright, so this is after I adjusted it quite some bit. I turned it out quite a lot, but I mean, it's still fucking low. I mean, oh well, it looks like much higher than it originally was, but I'm definitely gonna have to raise it up more. Alright, so we're already off to a good start. The fucking piece of wood that I had under the wheel to keep it so I could get the lift arms out fucking flew out and hit my bumper, and it popped it out, but that's no problem. I can easily get that back in. But yeah, that's fucking stupid, because I heard a big fucking pop. I'm like, what the fuck was that? But oh well. So I'm gonna go ahead, get this thing buttoned up, get it out of here, and go on for a test drive. I figure I'd get a quick video outside. Here you can see it. Do a quick little walk around. So yeah, I've been driving it definitely noticeably stiffer. but not to the point where your fucking back's getting blown out, which is nice. Definitely scraping on that little lip part in the front, or it could be the fender lining, but I think it's the lip. So we'll have to definitely raise this thing up. Yeah, I guess it went good, other than it's scraping all up on this fucking piece. This thing, you can see there's not much clearance, so the second it hits a fucking bump, it's just gonna slam into that and just drag away at it. So yeah, I'll do one last walk around of this thing. Looking good though. Alright guys, I don't really know if I closed out this video or not. Bonus_LSR, that is the Instagram, so if you want to see some more stuff, sometimes I post on there. Go ahead, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.